Welcome. In this video, we will see what are the upcoming steps that the exporter has to do once a GRN has been created. The exporter has the provision of choosing between standard process or custom process. If the exporter is not processing any material, he can go with the standard process, which is simpler. Just refer to the transaction videos in the processor's login or dealer's login to get more info on the standard process. This video will explain if the exporter is choosing custom process, how it can be done. The exporter has to enter the process details that is happening inside his factory. Enter add process 1 and enter the basic details of process 1. Mainly the process name and other information like details of what is the process and the input material quantity and the output quantity has to be entered. So this will be used for calculating the ratio of natural rubber that is contained within the processing. In similar manner, other processes has to be entered. Make sure to enter all the processes. Now process 2 has been created successfully. In same manner, process 1, 2, 3, etc. n number of processes can be added. This is a one-time exercise and the exporter only has to do it one time. Once this has been created, just click on Finish Processing. Next step is bundling. So the exporter has to create bundle for each step. So for process 1, select the GRN that has to be bundled and enter the quantity. Next select process 2 and select the bundle and then enter the quantity. In same manner, for all the processes, they can enter the bundle number. This step is not required if the exporter is selecting standard processing. Thank you.